A man spends 1/4 of his life growing up and studying, 2/3 of his remainder working, and 3/4 of the remainder in the happy retirement, and the last 5 years in illness. How many years does he live? So his life will take equal to x years. 1/4 is growing up, so 1/4 of x is growing, and then comes 2/3 of his remainder is working. So remainder is working, that is we will do life minus 1/4 of the growing up, that is equal to 3/4 of the x, and 2/3 of the remaining he is working, so into 2/3, that is his working. If you cut it off, it comes to 1/2x, and that is the working. Then we move on to 3/4 of the remainder in happy retirement. So first we have to calculate the remainder again. Now we will take this and we will take this, that is 1/4x plus 1/2x. This is the growing up and the working and the remainder. So we have to subtract it from the x. That is equal to, again, this comes out to be 3/4 of x. So x minus 3/4 is 1/4x. And out of that it is 3/4 of the remainder. So we have to calculate 3/4, 3/4, that is equal to 3/16x. That is his life in retirement. And 5 years you can see is there in illness. So 5 is illness. Now we will calculate 1/4 is growing up plus 1/2 is work plus 3/16 is the retirement plus 5 years in illness, that is equal to his total lifespan, that is x. So now if we calculate it, guys, it comes out to be 16 will take common, is 4 into 4 you will do 4x, into 8 you will do for this one, it will be 8x, and this is already 16, so 3x, and for 5 you don't have a denominator, you will make it into 16, that is 80, and here also in this you don't have anything, so you will make it 16x. Now you can cut the 16 easily. If you add these up, it is 15x plus 80 equal to 16x. So here you will subtract it, then 16 minus 15x, that is x equals to 80. So that is his age, guys. Hence we have solved it.